Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Log in Samsung A12. First, power off the device. Now, holding volume up and volume down buttons, connect to the PC. Now, volume up and go to downloading mode. Now we go to the unlock tool, and there we need Samsung and choose correct model A12. Hold in mode, and there we have erase FRP to 0 to 3. Now wait till the end of this process. Erase FRP done. Now check the phone. Everything done. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.